Let me share with you this plant today. This is called as the purple hearts because of its purple foliage. It belongs to the succulent family, and here my plant has this fuzzy white hair on its leaves. There is another variety of purple hearts which are this deep purple, but my plant has this greenish or a pale purple shade to it. I started off with this plant with a very small cutting and I planted in this hanging basket. The soil composition that I used for this plant was I used 50% of my soil, and the balance 50% I use coco peat. Now since it's a hanging basket, I use this proportion, but you can completely avoid coco peat and use 70% of garden soil, and the balance you can use as vermicompost. This plant requires bright sunlight to bring the purpleness out or to bring that purple color to the leaves. I have planted it in my front garden wherein it gets this 3 hours of afternoon heat and it's doing quite well there. This plant is a little bit of handle with care plant because if you just mishandle it, the stems break easily, but that's not a problem. You can easily propagate it. Take this cutting and grow it in another pot. It grows really quickly. How I water this plant? I water this plant as in when the top layer of the soil goes dry. Now in my case, I have used 50% of coco peat. So here the moisture is held by the coco peat. So only when the soil is dry, I water it. It can be watered every day if you're giving it complete sunlight, like it's there in the sunlight for like 5 hours. Otherwise, avoid overwatering it because it may lead to root rot. Another aspect is you can keep pinching the new growth if you want to make the plant bushy and as compact. In my case, I've used a hanging basket, so I prefer it to be falling down. This plant is about 3 months old, so I have not yet fertilized it, but you can use a slow release fertilizer like the bone meal fertilizer or the seaweed fertilizer, or you can skip it altogether and just add vermicompost to the topmost layer. It does not require heavy fertilizing. It is a sunlight that is most important for this plant. This belongs to the wandering Jew family, and it shares the passion of bringing beauty to your garden. If you get a chance to pick it up, do pick it up and bring about this purpleness in your garden. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again soon. Bye.